So, hi, I'm
Hello.
Anushri and I'm a volunteer with IFBEC, that's a Fashion Business Council. So,
So
would you like to tell us more about your brand first?
we are a 40-year-old trims manufacturing company. We have more than 25 different type of articles we are producing, which is we supplying to different government and the fashion industries. So we are located in Delhi. We have around 5 units in Delhi, and we are
Okay,
catering in per basis. Plus, we are exporting from here.
okay,
So that's a complete profile, and we are here to showcase our product range.
okay. So, my first question with you is what sustainable materials or technology have you recently integrated in your products?
So sustainability basically now the global market is looking for sustainable materials. So
True.
we have from yarn and all the articles we are manufacturing is completely sustainable. So
Okay,
those are basically free from chemicals and we have like lands which is basically also free and organic yarn we use for that.
okay,
So basically it's all 100% organic and sustainable for present market, and for exports also.
okay,
So we are maintaining all the sustainable compliance and we have factories also compliant according to that.
okay. So, my second question with you is what specific problems do you face in exporting your products and how are you addressing them?
Their problem is basically the order placements plus that we have to compete with the other market
True.
challenges. The rest of the things we had no problem. We are exporting to different companies with
Okay,
different countries also.
okay,
So it's
so
it's a routine process.
okay. So, if there's anything that would you like, what industry support or policy exchanges from the government would help you overcome these current challenges?
So current challenges what we face from the other countries is the
True.
pricing.
Yes.
So we had to compete with other countries with the pricings we beat. Thus we had to beat from them. For that, the government had to understand our input cost, especially for duties and
True.
GST. If that it can be like if it reduced for the government industries, so it will be more competitive for us. We can compete with other market, other countries also.
Right. So, I think that because we are a homegrown brand, so I think quality matters more.
Yes. In our industries, everything what we supply is against the buyer's approval. We
Yes.
can't supply anything because every trims what we supply is
Right.
against
Right. Right.
approval. We have to maintain the quality what they supply. If any rejection is there, they won't accept.
Right.
So it's a challenge for us because it's a double loss for us. So we have a QC team. We have a production every step of production. We have a QC team, and after every stage approvals, only the material is being shipped.
Okay.
That's the quality assurance we give to the customers. Without quality assurance, we can't do anything.
That is true.
We can't stretch
Quality
in the
matters
market
the most.
because it's a brand value. Because against the brand only, the buyers comes in and they give the order.
True. So, thank you.